You have a deadline tomorrow. You know exactly what you need to do. And yet, here you are, scrolling, watching videos, doing anything except the task. This is not laziness. This is not weakness. This is your brain, working exactly as designed. And once you understand what is happening inside your brain, procrastination starts to make sense in a very uncomfortable way. Most people think procrastination is a time management problem. It is not. It is an emotional regulation problem. When you think about a difficult task, something boring, overwhelming, or uncertain, your brain reacts to the feeling, not the task itself. That feeling creates discomfort, and your brain treats discomfort like a threat. So it pushes you to escape it. That escape can be your phone, social media, videos, or anything that gives you immediate relief. This is where the cycle begins, because the moment you avoid the task, the discomfort disappears, and your brain learns something very important. Avoidance works. It reduces stress instantly. So next time, your brain suggests the same solution again. Avoid it. Do something easier. Feel better now. But the problem is that this relief is temporary. The task does not disappear. It waits and returns with more pressure later. Inside your brain, there is a constant conflict. One part of your brain wants comfort right now. The other part wants long-term results. And in most cases, comfort wins. Not because you are weak, but because your brain is built to prioritize the present moment over the future. This is why motivation never lasts. Motivation depends on emotion, and emotion changes quickly. So what actually works? You do not wait for motivation. You do not try to force discipline. You start in the smallest possible way. 2 minutes. That is it. Because starting is the hardest part for your brain. Once you begin, your brain stops treating the task as a threat. And something changes. The resistance gets weaker. Momentum starts building. 2 minutes turns into 10. 10 turns into 30. Not always, but often enough to break the cycle. You're not trying to become a different person. You're learning how your brain actually works. Procrastination is not who you are. It is a pattern your brain learned to protect you from discomfort. And patterns can be changed, not by thinking more, but by starting. Start before you feel ready. Start before you feel motivated. Just start.